Hi guys, so welcome to lesson 1 in the rewards program. In this part we are going to be doing activities A through D in your workbook. And what this program does is we are going to be learning skills that you'll need for reading long words, and then you'll practice reading the long words in lists and sentences and in passages. And so this is giving you the skills that you'll need to read those longer words and increase your fluency and then increase your comprehension, okay? So the very first activity, activity A, this is an oral activity. And what we're gonna do is you're gonna listen. I'm gonna say parts of a word and you're gonna say the whole word. So listen carefully. Teaspoonful. Okay, what's the word? Right, teaspoonful. So I'll do it again. So listen. Secretary. What's the word? Right, secretary. Okay, so I'm going to do that with 5 more words, where I'm going to pause in between the word parts and you're going to blend them together, okay? Here's the first one. Indistinct. Right, indistinct. Administer. Good. Intermission. Intermission. Comprehend. Yep, comprehend. Last one. This one's a little challenging. Unfortunate. I'll repeat it. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. Good. That one you had to blend because it doesn't sound like the word when you break it apart. Good. So that was activity A. Now we are on to activity B. You're going to listen to me say the sounds and then you're going to repeat after me. These are called vowel combinations. Okay? So this vowel combination, the sound is A, like in the word say, A, like in the word rain, and ah, like in the word sauce. So A, ah. Go ahead and repeat that. Good. All right, so now we're on to activity C. So for activity C, what we're going to be doing is we're going to talk about vowel conversions. And for each one of these vowels, we're going to say the sound the vowel makes and the name of the vowel. So for this one, sound is a, like in cat. Name is a, like in labor. Sound is I, like in sit. Name is I, like in pilot. So sound a, name a. Sound I, name I. Go ahead and repeat those. Good. Okay, so the last activity we're going to be doing in this lesson is reading parts of real words. Some of these are real words by themselves, but most of these are just parts of real words that we're going to be reading in a later activity. Remember the vowel combinations we just learned, so A, and ah. Be looking for those in activity D. If you need to, you can underline the vowel combination to help you remember. So for example, I'll do this one. Underline the AI that says A, right? Ain, frame. Okay, I'm going to underline my A here. Ast. Vowel combination. K, A, K. Vowel here. Sk, ip, script. Okay? Go ahead and underline your vowel combinations for the rest of them try to read them on your own, and then we'll read them together. Go ahead and pause the video. All right, so I went ahead and underlined all of our vowels and vowel combinations, and we'll read them together. One thing I forgot to mention was this star right here. Whenever you see this star underneath a vowel, you're going to say the name of the vowel. So this would be f-a, fe, okay? And this one would be vi, because we're saying the name of the vowel, okay? So we just did the first row. Let's do the second one. Fe, tain, hap, K, lawn, vi, mid, stract, dit, plod, try, claim. Okay, go ahead and read through those one more time, and then you will be done with this part of lesson 1.